Yep, I'm moving to Vegas. I'll tell you more right after this. I want to say sorry for not being as active. It's one of my main goals to make videos frequently just to help you guys, and plus, I just really enjoy it. This video is going to be a little rant, just warning you. And I apologize, I'm filming this just on my MacBook, sitting on my bed. My whole house is packed, and I'm just living out of a box. It's been crazy. But here's my update. My house has been listed for months. It sold actually pretty fast. Our closing date has moved like 3 times, which has like a compounding effect because you set your closing date and then you can set your new buyer's date and all your everything off that. So it gets crazy. Once your closing date moves, it ruins a bunch of other dates, like my work schedule. I was supposed to already be working. It's been a pain in the butt. Just trying to stay strong. So the house that we wanted to get in Las Vegas, it fell through because we took way too long. Our $1,900 moving truck ended up costing us $100 a day on top of the $1,900 expense. So we ended up just driving 1,000 miles to Las Vegas and emptying our whole entire moving truck into a storage shed because that just makes sense, and it's a lot cheaper because a storage unit is like $250 a month instead of $100 a day or $3,000 a month. Our house is still not closed currently. We're waiting for the appraisal report, the very last thing, the appraisal report to get reviewed, and then they will release closing disclosures, and then we can sign. As of a few minutes ago, I think we accepted a offer or a counter offer. We offered on this house in Vegas, and they liked our offer, but they wanted a little bit more. So we're going to accept their counter offer. So we should be under contract to purchase a home and then be homeowners in Las Vegas in 30 days. So that's some good news. But as far as work, I've resigned in all my positions at Local 29, so I'm no longer an executive board member. I'm no longer a conductor for Local 29. It's a sad, bittersweet process. I miss Local 29 already. They're like family. I'm supposed to start working at the Sphere in Las Vegas out of Local 433 in 7 days. So I'm very excited to start working with Local 433. And hopefully I can build a bunch of cool projects and make the contractor a bunch of money while making me a bunch of money. Our family goal is to own more real estate there, and we got lots of opportunities there. More opportunities than in Oregon. That's one of the main reasons why we're moving. This is kind of like my little update. I should make like a series. This could be episode 1, but it could be like a little series of my experience in Vegas. But I'll update you guys more about how it's going and what our newest and greatest update is. But hopefully my next update, I'm 1,000 feet in the air catching a beam, and my wife is selling houses for millions of dollars. She's going to try to be a realtor there. And maybe my daughter is doing backflips in gymnastics, and my son is throwing touchdowns in the Super Bowl of little kids. That's our dream. But we'll see. Thanks for watching. As always, work safe. Yeehaw. Vegas, baby.